How much does flooring installation cost? Are you considering installing new flooring in your space? Then you'll want to know how much it will cost you. In this video, we'll explore the factors that impact flooring installation costs and ways to minimize them. Factors that impact flooring costs. When it comes to flooring installation costs, several factors come into play. Cost of materials and the type of flooring. Floor size and shape. Labor costs and location. Subfloor preparation and repairs. Additional factors. The type of flooring you choose and the cost of materials are obvious factors that affect the overall cost. Hardwood flooring, for example, tends to be more expensive than laminate flooring. The size of the space is also a significant determinant. Retiling a small bathroom will cost less than covering a kitchen or master bathroom. Additionally, the shape of the space, such as tight corners or inaccessible spots, can increase labor costs. It's essential to consider labor costs, which can vary between 60 cents and $4 per square foot. Location plays a role in labor costs as well. Ways to reduce flooring installation costs. To reduce flooring installation costs without sacrificing quality, consider the following. Comparison shop for materials to find the best prices. Opt for flooring options that are easier to install, less labor-intensive, or require fewer materials. Prepare the subfloor yourself to avoid additional costs. Protecting your investment. New flooring is a significant investment, so it's crucial to protect it from moisture issues. Moisture can cause long-term damage, leading to costly repairs or even replacement. Take steps to prevent moisture problems and ensure the longevity of your flooring. Are you ready to transform your space with new flooring? Visit WagnerMeters.com to learn more about flooring installation costs and how to make the most of your investment.